Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience. And today in this video, I'm gonna review Google Digital Marketing course and e-commerce certification course offered by the Google itself. It's a beginner-friendly course it is a beginner-friendly course designed by the Google only, and it is even available on Quora. So let's break it down whether it is really worth it or not. Then if I go to the bill, then if I explore this course, then I will get to know what you will learn. So basically, they have 6 to 7 modules. This is a foundational course, and you will learn the SEO, social media, email ads, as well as building an e-commerce site with analyzing data. And you will also use the tools like Shopify, Google Ads, Canva, Mailchimp, and more. So it is all structured across 7 detailed modules. But before we dive into the course only, let's talk real about the digital marketing because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, website marketing, blogging, etc. Right? And companies look at your communication, analytical ability, and portfolio, and you need to be focused at one or two focus areas, and you are good to go, right? So you don't need to learn everything. Now if you want to now if you're in now in case if you're really serious about learning the digital marketing, then you can go with my recommendation, my that is loved by me, and it is my personally trusted institute, best for the digital marketing. It is linked in the description box. They offer 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee as well, so you can even compare it with others. If you really want, then you can definitely give it a chance. Then now coming to the course review. So basically, it is all structured across 7 detailed modules. They have, it is an agency style course. It is endorsed by me. It is en- it is endorsed by American Association of Advertising Agencies and the AAF itself. Let's talk how it works because it is entirely online and self-paced. It is ideal for busy and learners, and the Google recommends finishing it in just 6 months. So Google recommends to finish it in about 6 months at a pace of 10 hours per week. It is ideal for the working professionals and the students like. Right now, if I talk about the instructors and the certificate credibility, then this course is created by the Google Career Certification team and the hosted on Quora. So you will earn a certificate that is shareable on LinkedIn and look solid on your resume. There is no doubt. And the job support and the tool access is a big plus in this course because the registering will grant the access to the career circle. It is a platform that offers one-to-one coaching, mock interviews, resume tools, and connection with 150 plus employees. It is it is very hand-holding if you are job hunting. Right now, if I talk about the cost and the duration, then it is very cheaper than others. It typically costs between 1,000 to 3.5K a month or $39 per month, I guess. And there is also financial aid options for those who need it. And if I talk about the reviews and all, then it scores a stellar 4.8 on Coursera with over 35,000 with over 35,000 student reviews. And I've also checked the reviews on Reddit. So basically, this says that it is perfect for the beginners, but if you are an intermediate or if you are a working professional and you want to enhance your skills, then it could be very basic, right? So if you need a course that comes with a 100% job guarantee and the advanced modules and also the Gen AI, then I have linked my personal recommendation into the description box. You can definitely go and check this out. Now emphasize on building your portfolio and the real job impact. If I talk about the pros and cons, then it is a trusted brand credential by the Google. The hands-on tool training is also there. The great career support for the while career circle is there. It is also beginner friendly, but you can also check. because they don't have any live mentorship or the deep specialization, and the certifications won't alone guarantee you a job, right? It is very basic for the intermediate learners. Now, if I come to my honest verdict and the final verdict, then if you are just starting out in the world of digital marketing or e-commerce, then you can definitely go with this course, as I will give it 8.5 out of 10. And it is excellent for the fundamentals and resources, but make sure to build real projects afterwards. Right now, if you have any doubts, just feel free to comment below and I will personally reply them one by one. And if you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next video with another institute review. Till then, thank you for watching.